Good evening, New York City and US Open fans. Emirates Airline is proud to welcome you to the 136th US Open Tennis Championships at Arthur Ashe Stadium. Tonight's non-stop entertainment features a live round of 16 matchup. Approximate flight time is 3 hours. During changeovers, the captain will turn off the remain seated sign. Take this time to stand up and stretch. Dancing is also encouraged and is a US Open tradition. Our multi-talented cabin crew is here to serve you a world-class experience and, of course, a safe return home. As we prepare for takeoff, please ready yourselves for this year's edition of the Emirates Ball Flight. We are giving away 8 flights for any lucky fan that catches a ball. Let's hear it. Congratulations to all of tonight's winners. Game, set, Emirates.